Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will exactly show you how to use Apollo.io step by step. Apollo is one of the most popular platform for providing leads, building email lists and automation outreach. Perfect for salespeople, marketers and business owners. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your account, find leads and start using Apollo.io to grow your business. Without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, we are going to give you and quickly demonstrate what exactly is Apollo IO. So Apollo is a B2B lead generation and sales engagement platform. It helps you to find verified email address and phone numbers, search for decision makers and companies, build targeted prospect list and automate cold outreach with emails and sequence. It is basically an on-stop tool for prospecting and outreach. So I'm going to create our first Apollo.io account. To get started, you just need to visit on Apollo.io and click to this sign up. Here, just click over here, sign up, and then you just need to be provide, like, you can create a free account using your email address. You can go with your Google account and then Microsoft account. So I will go with this one. It is good to go. So it is also a simple one. So I will click on this sign up with Google, then I will select my email address and then click to the continue, and even actually it will redirect us to here Apollo.io, and our Apollo.io account is creating successfully. Now here you can see how easy the process was. So after signing up, fill in your basic details like your name, company name and job title. Once done, your account will be ready for users. So now we are going to explore the Apollo dashboard. So once you are inside Apollo.io, you will see your dashboard. Here's a quick overview. Like in the search panel, you will get these quick search options, fund leads and company. This search option will help you. Then we have this leads option. Just click over here. It will help you to organize your saved prospects. As you can see, we already set two options here to lead, I can say. Then we have this sequence options. Under the engage options, you will find out this sequence. It helps you to automate your email outreach. Then we have this engagement options that track emails and activity. Let me walk you through the lead search process, like finding leads with Apollo. So here you just need to click over here to the search tab. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you can filter leads based on job title. For example, marketing manager. Let's search for marketing manager. And here you will find out you will find out. Just click to the show all, and here you will find out marketing manager. Then you can filter leads on location, like target a specific country or location. You can do it. So here just click to the filters, so filters, and here you will find out these options, like you can filter it by listing, you can filter it by persona. Here you can see it. Then email status, just save to send, who are verified, you will get two options. Then you can go with the filter with these job titles. I already mentioned that the marketing manager. Then you can search companies, is lookalike or is known. Here you will find out the company that and marketing senior manager, vector marketing. Then you can do it by locations. I want to include only United States. So here you will find out leads who belongs to United States. Then similarly you can filter with industry like software, e-commerce, etc. Then you can go with filter with the company size, then technology they used, and many more filter. Once you set your filters, like click to the search, and you will see a list of matching contacts along with their email address, phone numbers, LinkedIn profile, and many more who are necessary to do marketing. So I hope you understand how easy to finding leads with Apollo IO. Now we are going to saving lists to a list. So I think these are the list I got here. So how I can save this list to my list? So when you find lists, you like simply select them and click to the add. So I think like, let's say this is BlackRock. As you know, this company is so much popular, so I am going to select this one, and then here you will find out in the top bar that save it. Just click to the save. Once you click over here to the save, now you can create a list. So here I am going to make enter or create a list. So I'm going to give a name that is BlackRock and create a new list and just click to the save. List help you to organize prospects for different campaign. For example, a list for potential clients in the USA or a list for decision makers in a specific industry. So now if you check the list options here, you will find out this new list over here, BlackRock, and on list has been added 13 seconds ago. Then we are going to send emails with Apollo sequence. Now let's automate our outreach. Just click to the sequence, and here you can create personalized email sequence, then schedule follow-ups automatically, and you can easily track email opens, clicks, and replies. You can either create a sequence from scratch or use a pre-built template. Just click to the create, and from that place I'm going to copy with these templates. Okay, let's find out which one will be good. Find the right contact, just click this one, and actually here you will find out overall things. Day 1 manual. Okay, please make sure your template has non-empty subject. Okay, that's great. So just click to the add content, select list. I will select the list that will be BlackRock, and then click to the add one contact, and it will be perfectly aligned. And now you just need to be select this one. You just need to be add your contact. You will find out the contact already been added. That you can organize your emails, you can add it, then you can see the task also. So you just connect your email account, write your message, set delays between follow-ups, and you are ready to go. Now we are going to talk about and final tips. That is, before we finish, here is a quick few tips. That is, always personalize your outreach for better response rates, and always verify contract information to avoid bounce backs, and use Apollo's Chrome extension to find leads directly on LinkedIn. So let's search apollo.io extensions for the Chrome, and here you will find out this one. As you can see, this is the Apollo.io free B2B phone number and email finder. You just need to be added to your Chrome. You just need to click over here, add to Chrome, and then click to the add extensions, and here it will be precisely added. As you can see, Apollo B2B phone number email finder has been enabled here. So here you can go with this one, LinkedIn, like prospect wherever you work, LinkedIn, Gmail, Google Calendar, CRM method, Apollo, everywhere. Let's go to the Apollo and let's go to the people, and let's try to find it out, and let's open our Apollo.io. Close it. Apple not supported on this website. Okay, they don't support Apollo.io on their platform. That is the problem. But whenever you welcome, let's go to the Gmail and let's try it to use it. So let's open this one, and here actually I think it will work perfectly because it aligned without Gmail. They already mentioned here, as you can see it. Unable to connect to your mailbox, like view plan. So to connect our mailbox, we can go with this one, free plan, get started, and click to the Google, and let's go sign up with Google. Let's select our mail. We just need to connect these things to work properly on our site. So once it's done, now you are allowed to use this one. Okay, that's great. No prospect recognition right now. Okay, that's great. Let's refresh this one. Let's refresh this too. Account has been done, added. Okay, that's great. So that's it. I hope you understand how easy the process was. You are just learn how to use Apollo.io step by step. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover advanced Apollo.io features in another video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.